Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to discuss with you another nice Olympiad question. So, we have been given this one equal to 3 over 5 and a plus b plus c equal to 4. So, we have been asked to find the value of this mathematical expression. So, this is how I'm going to solve this problem. I will take this equation and I will multiply both sides by a plus b plus c. So, a plus b plus c time 1 over a plus b plus 1 over b plus c plus 1 over c plus a equal a plus b plus c time 3 over 5. Now I will rewrite this one as follow. This one, so we have to multiply these three factors from a plus b plus c and plus a plus b plus c over b plus c plus a plus b plus c over c plus a equal, here a plus b plus c equal to 4. I'm going to substitute that one, 4 over 4 times 3 over 5. Now I will rewrite this one as follow: a plus b over a plus b plus c over a plus b. This whole part I can rewrite as follow. Likewise, this one b plus c over b plus c plus a over b plus c. Same way, this one a plus c over a plus c plus b over a plus c equal 4 times 3 12, 12 over 5. Now a plus b equal to 1, it will be cancelled, it will be divided, then it is equal to 1 plus c over a plus b plus, then again b plus c divided, it's equal to 1 plus a over b plus c plus again a plus c to a plus c equal, it will be divided into 1 plus b over a plus c equal 12 over 5. Now I will rewrite this one again. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 3. 3 plus c over a plus b plus a over b plus c plus b over a plus c equal 12 over 5. Then again I will rewrite as follow: a over b plus c plus b over a plus c plus c over a plus b equal 12 over 5. This plus 3 is going to this side, will become minus 3. So final answer is a over b plus c plus b over a plus c plus c over a plus b equal, I'm going to simplify this one, 12 minus 5 times 3, 15 over 5 equal minus 3 over 5 is our final answer.